All right. I hope we have learned so far with the other videos that you must have watched. I encourage you to keep on watching repeatedly until you learn it and know how to make or replicate those designs yourself and even do it. But I want to show you how you can make this photo manipulation, or let me say typography. I'm going to show you what I did and how you are going to make yours. Like the process, the steps, how I made it. It's very wonderful, very wonderful. So the steps how I made it. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Aha. This one. Just look at this banana. Look at how the way it is. Aha. So I'm going to show you how you can make this. And also there is one of pineapple that I made also. Where is it? Here you are. Aha. So I'm going to show you how you can make this one as well. But I'm going to begin with the one of banana. So quickly let me run down to my Pixellab. Remember I'm using Pixellab Pro. I also do it as well with the normal Pixellab. So now I'm in. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to import the image. You know where you can import? You import either through this. Sorry, it's too big. Like you know, through that icon. You can import through that, or this is not responding. Oh, sorry. Alright. Or you scroll below, come to this import. So quickly, let me import the image. Go to my gallery, search for it. Download. Here it is. I import it. So let me balance it. I've aligned it. Now, this is what I'm going to do. How was it? Let me see the way it was. Okay. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to my text. Remember this A icon. I go to my text. Then I edit it. I clean what is here. Then I now write in capital letter banana. Banana. I bring down my banana. I'm going to increase the size. Yes. Give it a font. What font I'm going to give it a bold font. Let me use this string 5. Yes. Then let me balance it. Hope you are watching then. I'm going to give this text a white color. Then I'm going to give this background. I'm going to make the background transparent. So after I've clicked, after I've clicked the background, I touch the background. Then I'm going to this place. This is supposed to be moving. Alright, I'm just watch. I press here. See? Then I now scroll to color. No, transparent. Sorry. You see this transparent? That is what I'm going to use. Transparent. So I make my background transparent. And of this very white background from the picture, I haven't removed the background from this very picture. So what I'm going to do is this. The background of the banana, the picture of the banana is already highlighted. So I'm going to my text, the second one, then and I look for erase color. I click on my erase color, I enable it. It has gone. I okay it. So you see it. Then the next step I'm going to take is this. I'm going to hide this banana. Let me hide it. Let me highlight it. Let me hide it. You see this icon? This is where you hide it. You just hide it. It's going to be like invisible. So after then I will save it. I will save this as the way it is. Save as image. PNG, yes. Is it PNG or JPEG? Okay. The PNG. Save to gallery. Now it is saved to my gallery. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to another app. It's called PS Touch. Going to my PS Touch now. Alright. This was a previous work I'm trying to work on. Let me go back out of it. So I'm going to add it up. I'm going to add it. See this icon? It's below. It's below. So I press the plus to add from my photo gallery. Going to my Pixellab. If you look for a Pixellab file, where is the image, the text I saved? I think it should be below. Here is it. I clicked on it. Add. Now I have it here. So the next thing I'm going to do is this. I'm going to press this icon. Sorry, it's below. It's below here. It's below. It's below there. So I press it on. Then I press this plus icon by the right side to add another text. Photo layer from gallery. Photo from gallery from my library. I'm going to look for it where I'm going to now import my banana. I'm importing my banana now. I add it up. So I'm going to like increase the size, increase it. Okay. So now I'm going to okay it, and I still press that very icon again. That very icon again. I press it. Then I'm going to bring that my banana, the text banana. I'm going to bring it to the front. So I just click on it and hold and take it up while there's an exchange. Sorry. So the text is now on. Then I it's sorry. Right, I'm going to make some changes. There's going to be a changes I want to make. Let me go back a little. I don't want to save it yet. I want to make some changes. So let me still duplicate it again to bring out that text. Now the text is here. So I'm going to return to my Pixellab now. I'm going to return to my Pixellab. Then this text, I'm going to remove this text. I'm going to delete the text. Or let me hide it. Let me hide the text and let me enable the banana, the image. Let me enable it. So now as the way the text is now, the text now, the banana now is transparent. It's very transparent now. So I can use it, but let me save it because I want to use it in PS Touch. I want to use it here. So now it is saved. Let me return back to my PS Touch, and then I'm going to import it. But this plus icon on the right hand side. Yes. I click on it. Photo layer. Then photo from library. You can make them extra if you want to. Then I'll go and search for my banana. Okay, yeah, from my Pixellab. I've saved it to my Pixellab file because I've removed the background, the white background, making it transparent. So now I click on the banana, like the picture, and I add it. Yes. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is this. I'm still going to return to that my plus icon again. Then I'm going to bring the text to the front. I'll just exchange it from this angle. I'll press and hold. I'll press and hold, and then the text is now at the top. Alright. So what I'm going to do is this. This icon above. This icon. Sorry, no. This icon. Let me see. Let me confirm it. Okay, see this plus this icon. Yeah, that's icon. So I'm going to make use of it. You press it, click on it. Then you now come to warp. 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 So that's what I'm going to use. Warp. Now, what I'm going to do here is this. I want to increase or to zoom it so that I can able to work it out well. So in this my warp, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this text to fit this banana the image. I'm going to make some adjustment, to work on it. So make my alignment just to make sure it fits on it. Just have to be careful. Bring it back. Making some few touches. In this work, you have to take your time to see that you make it fit. Make it fit. Okay. If you make any mistake, like if you want to go back, just press this. It's below. You go back to make some adjustments so that you will not make any costly mistake. Alright, I think I'm going to leave mine like this. So the next thing I'm going to do is this. You come back to the icon. Click on it, then you hide this guy here, this banana. You hide it, you press that, you are going to hide it. Then it's gone. So what you are going to do, I'm going to save it. I'm going to save it. I press my done, it's above. Done. Save project. So I'm going to press this plus icon below. Then okay, what I'm going to do, you see this, the one I just did. The one I just did, I will click on it. I'll click on it. I'm going to. Where is this? Alright, yes. Below here, I'm going to click on it. Then save to gallery. Save to gallery. JPEG. Is it JPEG or PNG? Let me go to save to PNG. Then I'm going to press the one that I want to save. So I pressed it. I OK it. Now it is saved to my gallery. So I'm going back to Pixellab. I'm returning to Pixellab now. I'm going to bring back my image, like importing my. Okay, let me make this background. Let me return the background to white so that we can work on it now. I'm going to change my background color to white. Alright, so I'm going to import that image. Import. Alright, here is it. Aha. Alright, okay. Let me try to scale it to make this size okay to fit. Alright, bring it somewhere here. Aha. I think it fits. Alright. No, so the process began. So now what I'm going to do next is this. I'm going to bring okay, before then alright, quickly. Now after importing all this, what I did was I increased the size of this banana, then I bring down this text on it to make sure that it fits on it. So the next thing I'm going to do is this. I'm going to this plus icon, that plus icon, I'm going to press on it, then coming to shapes, clicking on my shape, I'm leaving it on my is this rectangle or square? Yeah, square. So this shape is going to cover this right up, making to cover the right up, the banana, and leave here. So I think that's okay then. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is this. Here I'm going to click here. That is where I'm going to click next. Then I'm going to drag from here. I'm going to bring it downward to make this this shape. I'm going to make a shape to go back of the text. Let the text come forward. So that's what I'm going to do. I click, I press, and I bring it back, or I double click on it. Aha, so the text now is on it. So what I'm going to do now is this. I'm going to find my, wait, before then, let me, alright, before then, sorry, I remembered. Before then, on my text, I'm going to texture, clicking on my texture. From the texture, I'm going to add the same image as the background on the text, the banana image. I'm adding it as the texture on the text. Alright, this is how it's going to look like. Then I okay it. After that, that's when I'm going to bring that my what's it called? My shape to cover it. Alright, I think that's okay. Then bringing it forward. Aha. So you see how it now it's now making sense now. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to max it. I'm going to max it so that it can fit. It can fit it. Yes, this is my max. So I enable it. So I'm going to max out. So just to make sure that it fits on it. That's what I'm doing now. Okay, I think that is okay for now. Then adjusting it just to make sure it fits on this. Aha. Then that is that. So this is how you are going to make it. You watch this video over and over again until you learn it and know how to do it yourself. So I'm going to save it. Save Ultra. Always save it as Ultra because it maintains the quality of the design. It maintains the quality of the design. So I'll just quickly, after I save, just quickly go and see our work. And after then, that is that for this. Alright, let me go to my gallery and see what I've done so far. Where is my Pixellab? Aha. So this is our design. How do you see it? So this is it.